Good afternoon, guys. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. I got a new topic this afternoon on my channel under Professor David J. De Los Reyes YouTube channel. This is now lesson DE24 on my topic differential equation. I will give you another example problem on how to solve a differential equation solvable by using integrating factor. Okay, let's proceed. This is now lesson DE24 on my subject matter differential equation subtopic differential equation solvable by using integrating factor. I think this is example number 3. This is another example of a solution by using integrating factor. Okay, I will try to read the problem, guys. Evaluate the given differential equation dy dx minus 2y equal to e to the x. E to the x times cosine of x. We are asked to evaluate the general solution of this one, meaning since we are not given an initial condition, the problem is asking for the general solution. And supposed to be the solution is by using an integrating factor. Okay, let's proceed with the solution. I will try to manipulate this one. I will try to rearrange. So the given differential equation can be written as dy dx plus open quantity negative 2 times y equal to e to the 2x cosine of x. Okay? And as we speak it, this is similar to the form dy dx plus p of x times y equal to q of x. So actually, this falls under case number 1. This differential equation here is similar to this. So it falls under case number 1. And under case number 1, if we try to identify now p of x and q of x, p of x is actually negative 2. This negative 2 here got an x actually. But luckily, this x got a power 0. So this is actually x to the 0 power. But x to the 0 power is equal to 1. So p of x is actually negative 2. This is actually times x raised to 0 power. It got an x, but luckily that x is actually x to the 0. And this is actually 1. So what come out for x will be p of x equal to negative 2. Okay? So solving for the integrating factor will be equal to e to the integral of p of x dx equal to e raised to the integral of negative 2 times dx. Negative 2, we bring it out. This should be e raised to negative 2, the integral of dx. And luckily, the integral of dx is just x. So the integrating factor is just pure e raised to negative 2 times the integral of dx, which is x. So the integrating factor for this problem is e raised to negative 2x. Okay, so we solve already the integrating factor. If we try to bring up the general solution under case number 1, it is actually y times integrating factor equal to the integral q of x times the computed value of integrating factor dx, integrating factor times dx plus c. Substituting values, this is y, a raised to, this is a negative 2x, guys. Right? I am just substituting the computed value of the integrating factor. Y times integrating factor equal to the integral. Q of x is actually, I will write this one, e to the 2x cosine of x times the computed value of the integrating factor, e raised to negative 2x times dx plus c. Simplifying, this is e, we can combine, same base. So it will be same base, then add the exponent. 2x minus 2x times cosine of x times dx. But luckily, 2x minus 2x is actually 0. So actually, the resulting power of e is actually 0. So this becomes e to the 0 times cosine of x dx. And e is actually 2.72 something raised to 0 power. If you try to use your calculator, the value of that is 1. So the given right hand side will be the integral of 1 times cosine of x dx plus c. And the integral of cosine is just sine. Luckily. So the integral of the right hand side is just simply sine of x plus c. So the general solution for this problem is actually y times e to the negative 2x equal to sine of x plus c. That is our answer. That is our solution by using integrating factor, and it falls under case number 1. Okay, guys. Oh, that is a good illustration of a solution of a problem if the solution is by using integrating factor. Luckily, the given problem falls under case number 1, and the integrating factor is e raised to the integral of p of x dx. We identified the value of p of x. P of x is actually negative 2. It got an x, but for the meantime, the x is actually with the power of 0. So x to the 0 power will be 1. But negative 2 can be considered as simply p of x. You might ask that it doesn't have an x. It has an x, but for the meantime, the value of x for this p of x is 0. Okay, because this is actually times 1. So after the computation of the integrating factor, what comes out is e to the negative 2x. We put it on the general solution, y times integrating factor times the integral of this. After the simplification and integration, what comes out for the solution is y e to the negative 2x equal to sine of x. Let's see. Okay, good afternoon, guys. So for those who are taking engineering, okay, and you have a subject matter differential equation, this is for you guys. This is now my lesson number 24 on my topic differential equation. It is in sequence, it is a complete course. So this is for you guys who are taking engineering and for the meantime taking a differential equation subject matter. Okay? Good afternoon, Los Angeles. I tried my new cell phone, Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. I will try to see if the resulting video is actually a good one. Okay, this is my first video using my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus on my lecture. Good afternoon, Los Angeles. So for those who would like to subscribe to my channel, just click subscribe. You will get something from me. Good afternoon, Los Angeles.